Hey, it's Sunny here and welcome back to Sunny DIY, where you can find all your gifting needs for your loved ones. This week I'm making a magical sliding card DIY that I think is really unique and special and is full of surprises as well. So I hope you guys will try it out and let's get to it. Hit that bell icon down below to get notification when I post my new videos. You will need 4 blank cards. It can be any color you want, and in addition to that you will need 1 sheet of clear plastic. All of them should be the same size, and it really depends on you how big you want it to be. Take one of the cards and we're going to roughly draw out a smaller square inside of it because we're going to cut the center out and leave it as a frame. Once that is done, we are going to place that on top of 2 other white cards, and we're going to glue all 3 layers together on one of the shorter sides. For the 2 longer sides and the sides that we just glued together, I'm going to be using this super cute Mickey Mouse washi tape to tape them together. It is also very decorative as well. The one side that we are not going to tape together is also the shorter side that we did not glue together. And of course, you can use clear plastic tape as well. For the next step, we're going to use that one other white card that we have left and the clear plastic sheets that we have. I'm actually going to trim the width of these 2 sheets a little bit because it will help the gliding to be more smoother and easier. Once that's done, I'm also going to tape one of the sides together as well. And we have the basic structure of the card done. To put it together, slide the clear plastic sheet between the frame that we cut out and the second sheet, and slide the cardboard between the second and the third sheet. Now all you have to do is design the card. Because I'm making this for Valentine's Day, I'm going to have a very cute Valentine themed card design. You can also do any other card design that you like. I have my card saying "You fill my heart with joy," and inside the heart I'm going to write all these joy words because that's literally filling the heart with joy. You get it? I also just decorated the rest of the cards with little hearts and very cute purpley color. Once you have the design all finished, cover the clear plastic sheet over it and then just draw the outlines of your design. I also made sure to add a simple instruction saying pull here so that whoever you give your card to knows what to do with it. And when they pull out the cards, this really boring card turns into something so colorful and beautiful, and it will be quite surprising, and I'm sure they will love it. Thank you so much for watching my DIY. I hope you liked it. Remember to give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you all next week. Bye.